Hey lovely learners, hello everyone, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Hope you all guys are doing well. So in this video, I'm going to discuss with you must topic, okay, must modal verbs. And without further delay, so let's start this video. Must, it will show you obligation, advice means strong recommendation, prohibition, and last you have assumption, okay. Let's have a look one by one. Obligation. How will you tell to the people obligation? Okay. You must be here on time. You must show your ID proof. You must go there. You must give her money. Okay. So this is your obligation. Means duty, means rule. You have to do this. Okay. This is your obligation. And advice. Advice, it shows you strong recommendation. Means how will you tell to the people your advice? You can say it like this. You must watch this movie. Okay. You must try this outfit. Okay. You must go there. You must go to the restaurant. So this is all about your advice. And third we have prohibition. Okay. Prohibition, it will show you in negative sentences. Okay. You must not be used your mobile phone here. You must not smoke here. This is your prohibition. Okay. And last you have assumption. Assumption means yes. Okay. Means he must be in the room. He must be on the roof. He must be in the kitchen. Okay. He must be a rich man. So this is your assumption. Okay. So this is all about your must modal verbs. Okay, so we will meet in next another video. So till then, take care, bye bye. And yeah, if you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Till then, take care, bye bye.